Hello friends, how is your Diwali preparation going on? If still searching for snacks idea, then do try this recipe. It's called suwali or kharkharia. It's a crispy sweet puri, mildly sweet and crunchy in taste. It's a special traditional recipe made in almost all Gujaratis' home. This recipe is very close to my heart since it was my favorite Diwali snack from childhood. So without any delay, let's start the recipe. For making kharkhadia, first we need to make a sugar solution. For that, take 1 cup of water in a pan and add 1 by 3 cup of sugar. If you prefer eating more sweet, then increase the quantity of sugar. Also add half tablespoon of sesame seeds and heat for 2 to 3 minutes. This way the sesame seeds will not come out while we fry the kharkhadia. So now our water is heated and sugar solution is ready. Now we will be making dough. For making dough, here I have taken half cup of wheat flour and half cup of maida. Also, I will be adding here a pinch of salt. Now we will be mixing all the dry ingredients properly. So now comes the heart of the recipe, that is our ghee. If the quantity of ghee here is not added properly, then our kharkhadia will not be crispy. So I am adding here 2 tablespoons of ghee and then mixing it together. So now I have mixed my ghee properly. The flour will appear crumbly. Also, if you want to check if ghee quantity is okay or not, then take small amount of flour in hand and it should be able to remain together like this. If it is not, then add more 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here you can also add oil or butter, but frankly speaking, ghee kharkhadia will taste more good. Also, if you want ghee recipe, then I have added link above and in the description box. Now we will be taking our prepared hot sugar water to make the dough. Add little water and knead the dough. Do not add all the water at same time. Also, with the help of spoon, first take water from the top so that sesame seeds also get mixed with the dough. Add water in very little quantity and knead the dough. Our dough should not be very soft, it should be little hard, similar to that of puri dough. So now our dough is ready. Allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes of rest, knead it again. Now from this dough, make small balls, also called pede. So here I have made 15 to 20 balls. Now cover it with wet cloth so that the dough does not dry up. So we will be rolling the kharkhadia just like puri, but very thin. Apply some oil on the surface and on the rolling pin and then roll it into puri shape. After it's rolled, then poke it with fork or knife so that our kharkharia does not puff up like puri. So here I have rolled all my kharkharia and placed on a wooden board. Now allow it to dry for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will be frying our kharkharia. Heat the oil in a kadhai on a medium heat. After oil is heated, add 2 to 3 kharkharia in it. Now fry it on medium heat. Go on pouring some oil on the top. Also flip it 2 to 3 times. Fry until its color changes to light pink and the sides starts browning. Our kharkharia is now fried from both the sides. We will remove it on a kitchen towel so that extra oil is absorbed. Similarly, fry all the kharkharias and allow it to cool for 5 to 6 hours. Once cooled, you can store it in an airtight container for 2 to 3 weeks. So, our all kharkhariyas are now ready. See, if within no time we can make this tasty Diwali snack at home, then why to bring it from outside, and that too with no guarantee about the products used for making this kharkhariya. Enjoy this tasty recipe with your friends and family with tea and coffee. Also, do not forget to share your experience with me in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe my channel before going. I wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali.